Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free runway effect and how to use it in Dress to Impress Halloween update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already joined the Dress to Impress game on Roblox, and if you want to get free runway effect guys, the first thing that you're going to do is joining the Baddy pass challenges. I'm going to show you. Okay, this is the bad runway effect. And also, wait, this one, so you can join the Baddy Pass to get free runway. And to join the Baddy Pass, you need to go to the regular server, any server except the free play mode, because the Baddy Pass won't work here. So you can go to the regular mode and complete the achievements. Or you can also go to the replay mode. This is replay mode. And then you can play trick or treat in this map, around this map. Or you can play the apple bobbing mini games. Okay, you can buy the ticket first. And then I recommend you to choose tier 3. But if you don't have enough money, you can buy the tier 1 or tier 2. And let's purchase this tier 1. You will have 5% to get this runway effect. This is your chance or your possibility, and I'm going to purchase it. And then we can play the apple bobbing. And you can click on this icon and use the ticket, and then you can play it. Okay, and I do not get the runway effect, but I got candy and also money. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, you will have possibility to get the free runway effect. And then you can also go to the new houses and interact with the door. We can click on interact and let's see what we'll get. I hope that we get trick. Oh my god, I got nothing guys. So let's move to the next door. It's right here. Yay! Okay, I got this runway effect. Okay, this is the runway. If you want to use the runway effect, just select this menu. Okay, and these are my runway effects that I got. And yeah, we can use it on the runway moment. Okay guys, and that's how we can get a runway effect for free in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!